Welcome everyone on my weekly analysis of the dollar and the Nasdaq. So we're on the weekly chart. As you can see, the US dollar has been quite bearish lately. To kick it off, we can see that price has treated this as an inversion. This see when we traded down, we ended around the lower portion and traded up. Right now, my target is the consequent encroachment of this week and potentially these lows over here. They seem to clean. This week has been quite lethargic in terms of price action. We just traded down aggressively after hitting a daily order block, which I will soon reveal. But let's head on our right onto the daily. As you can see, on the daily, we have these two consecutive up close candles, which is a bearish order block. Price traded up, treated that weekly BC as an inversion level, hit the bearish order block and traded lower. I'm targeting these lows here first as my objective on Monday. Well, not Monday, on Tuesday session. Monday we have a bank holiday, and the AM session on Tuesday is low probability. That's what I'll be assuming, given the previous day was a holiday. So I'll be resuming my trading on Wednesday morning AM session. So I'll be targeting these lows over here and that consequent encroachment of that week over here. Onto the hourly. So my main expectation is that we gap down on Monday. Essentially, we've already treated this premium week as an inversion. How we traded down, traded up, traded down, traded up, and essentially hanging around that low of that week. So I expect us to gap down on Monday, but I'm not exactly sure what will happen. So we're bearish on dollar. Let's watch the US100, the Nasdaq. So we're on the weekly chart. I marked out these two consecutive up close candles, which is a bearish order block. The threshold of that is that weekly high. In addition to this, we have this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, CV. I can see that we've been hanging around the lower portion of that. I'd expect us to treat this as support to take us higher, since we're already bearish on the dollar. Bearish on dollar means bullish on assets and commodities. So I'd expect us to trade higher after entering this BC. In addition to this, we have this discount wick over here. I'd expect us to treat that as support, heading higher. But in the case where we don't, if we were to invert this BC and had trade below it and treat that as a resistance level, I'd expect lower prices. That would be my invalidation point. But other than that, as long as we stay in the upper portion of that BC here, I'd expect higher prices. Onto the daily. So my one of my targets is the low and the open of that bearish order block right there. That would be essentially a target that I potentially want, given we don't reach those on Monday and Tuesday. But I'd expect us to hit that and go even higher. Yeah, I guess that's it on the daily. I don't know if we go to the hourly. We have a new week opening gap right here, and we failed to fill that over the course of this week. So potentially we might fill it. It might come take out the sell side here at the 20,600 level. Trade lower. We might leave it, but that's something the market should determine essentially. We might leave it though open, but there's literal data there, so it's like a magnet that draws price lower. And we also have that discount wick, that weekly discount wick over here. So it's either we take out sell side here at higher, or we further head down, filling that new week opening gap for higher prices. Turn over the 15-minute chart. So we're bearish on the Nasdaq till we take out that and see further prices higher. We also have this breaker right here. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive down close candles as a bearish breaker. High, low, high, high, low, low. That's a breaker. I noticed that we mainly stopped at the lower quadrant of that bearish breaker and we traded lower. So essentially treating that as a breakaway gap. This over here is a breakaway gap. So I'd expect lower prices till that sell side is taken. Other than that, long term, I'm bullish on the Nasdaq. Let me show you some of what I potentially would target. Consequent encroachment on that weekly city, which is in your 21,300 vicinity, and that consequent encroachment of that, that mean threshold of the weekly bearish order block. So those are my potential targets for the week. These highs are too clean in my opinion, too clean. And yeah, man. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for listening.